ng mga laundry detergent. Ano ba yun? Say it again. What did you say? Guys, tignan nyo nangyari sa damit ni Travis. Wait lang, patayin ko. Kakatapos na namin manood, no?
I'm gonna have to change my shirt.
Tignan nyo naman ang nangyari. Pati yung damit ko.
Her hair is everywhere.
Hindi masyado sa akin. Kay Travis lahat dumikit kasi nag-aarutan sila kanina. Naalis kami ngayon. Pupunta kami ng... May bibilin kami. Gagamitin namin yung motor.
We gotta take her out.
Guys, welcome back to Master Chef Travis.
You ever seen anything like this?
What's in your face?
What'd you do?
What? You really look at your face in the mirror?
What'd you do?
Oh.
You have to do that in order for it to taste better.
No.
Oh yeah.
What are we cooking, babe?
Going to make quesadillas.
Quesadillas. So we bought this wrap
We're gonna
from
make
Walmart. And look at our baby, Kinsley. Oh, say hi. Hi, pretty girl. Bubok mo na naman, girl.
She was very naughty yesterday.
Yeah, she was very naughty yesterday. We'll see Daddy's face while he's cutting.
Oh yeah.
Babe! Close the drawer. The cabinet. Oh my God. Who farted, Kinsley?
That was you.
Who farted,
That
Kinsley?
was you.
Daddy farted?
That was you.
Oh, Kinsley
That
knows.
was you.
She knew you farted.
No.
See?
No, did you? Come here. Come here. Kiss me. Kiss me. She kissed Daddy.
No. Okay, kiss mommy, Kinsey. Come here. Kinsey, come here, kiss mommy.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, good girl. Hey.
Ano yan? Chicken? Niluto niya to kahapon, kaso hindi namin nagawa kasi nga wala kaming wrap. So ngayon namin kakainin. And, babe, you're not gonna cook the bacon?
No, I am.
What are you gonna do with that? You're gonna mix it in the pan?
In the pan.
Say it again.
In the pan. You mix it in the pan.
What?
In the pan.
Say it again. Say it again, babe. Dali. Say it again.
In the pan.
Ito.
Hey.
Nakaamoy ng chicken. Nakaamoy.
Like ano ang chicken.
That's Kinsey's hair. You eat Kinsey's hair?
Well, yeah, it's normal now.
Look at her. Oh. Ano mo? Ang cute naman yun. Pero pasaway kahapon. Ngat-ngat nga yung sombrero ko. Pero hindi ko alam kung saan na yun. What did you say?
Knock na yun.
I'm not gonna eat that, babe.
Yeah, you are.
No.
Oh yeah.
I'm still full.
It's too bad.
So bad what?
It's too bad that you're still full.
But I'm not gonna eat it because I'm full.
No, you have to eat something.
Why?
Because I had to make this. I slaved over this.
Look. Nungaling. Come here, Kinsey. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Sit down. Can you sit? Sit. Good girl. Okay, Mommy's gonna talk to you. Where did you put my hat? I wish you're talking. Baliw na. Baliw na daddy mo. Gusto ni Kinsey lagi yung kinakamot yun. Ay, Yung ginaganto siya. Parang minamassage yung leeg niya. Babe, that's not cooked. The bacon. Right?
No, it's not.
And then you're gonna put that in the microwave?
No, that's...
Wala, just like that? Ganyan lang talaga yung ano namin, may stain. And then, what are you gonna add with that? Ayan, cheddar cheese. May cheddar cheese. By the way, meron nga pala akong kape dito. Tignan nyo naman. Ayan, ang kape. So, meron kaming kape sa, Starbucks. Every week, meron kaming free na ganun sa mga employee. Yummy! And then, oh, we forgot to buy the, taco seasoning.
Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna make it like quesadilla, huh? So you will put it in the oven, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. That sounds good.
Okay.
Oh, nice. You never cooked before, like.
I always cook, babe.
No.
But you're always mean to me.
No.
Oh yeah.
You are.
No.
You are. See? Look at that face. See?
Babe.
Mr. Bean. What?
Come on. Chips and salsa.
Ang laki ng pimples ko talaga. Mawawala siguro ito pagtapos ng aking cycle, Ang hirap maging babae. Yan, kung makikita niya, baka ng pimples. And bumili rin nga pala kami ng kanina. Ng favorite naming chips. Ang sarap nung green na sun chips, Kakain kami ni Travis ngayon. Hindi kami makakapunta ng gym. Kasi, sakit din yung dito ko, So, dahil sa workout ko kahapon, baka ano ba yan? Baka, asensya na. Naggabal ako sa, ni Travis, pagluluto. Bukas kami mag-gym, no? Bukas ng umaga. Tapos, baka mamaya mag-edit lang ako ng video. And then, pupunta kami sa labas. Ilalabas namin si Kinsley.
Yeah.
Grabing init ngayon, guys. Kaya magbumotor kami kasi mukhang masarap magmotor ngayon. Pak na pak naman talaga ang pimples ko. Hindi kasi namin nagagamit tong motor niya. So, gagamitin namin ngayon since summer na din. Pupunta muna kami ng Cold Stone. Bibili kami ng ice cream and pupunta kami ng Walgreens. Bibili kami ng mga laundry detergent. Ano ba yung pang ilan? I will title this vlog. They know it's you. So, no. alam niyo naman kung sino yun, di ba, guys? Let's go! Kami sa Cold Stone at napakaraming tao. Bili lang kami ng ice cream. Travis. Bang!
A few moments later.
Good evening, guys. Sabay na kami. Nag-grocery lang kami ng iba. Nagbili lang kami ng iba pa namin mga kailangan, And bumila ako ng acne patch para sa acne ko. And nag-edit ako na ngayon ng video. So, I think yun lang yung vlog natin for today. Nabusog ako sobra dun sa ice cream. Hindi ko naubos. So, itinapon ko na lang kasi nga matutunaw lang din. Pero unti lang naman yung ko. Unti lang yung naiwan. Kasi nakamotor kasi kami kanina. So, maganda yung weather ngayon. Maganda yung weather today. Sana maganda rin bukas. Bukas may pasok na ako. So, mayroon akong edit na vlog today na upload ko rin today. So, yun lang ang vlog natin for today. Puro today. Yun lang yung vlog natin for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next time. Bye!